Okay, try natin gumawa ng 150 pesos na budget na steak. Na quality. Grabe naman yung mga challenge nyo sa akin. So for today's video, eto, we have our Brazilian steak. So tara, i-cut natin. Game, slice na.
We really got our steak in slabs para we know na it's really fresh and it's in its purest form and it's unadulterated.
So yeah, worth 150 pesos daw. So yan ang 150 pesos na steak. Pero Brazilian to. Yun nga lang. Manipis siya. Medium. Medium. Lambot. So yeah, if you want 150 peso steaks.
But wait, there's more. So if if personal consumption, I think mas doable siya. Kasi, for example, ito, we also sell frozen steak packs, by the way. These are unseasoned. They are plain. So, these are Brazilian steak packs. Isang pack, 3 pieces for just 499 pesos. So, if you do your girl math, 166 pesos siya per piece. So, I make sure, no, na maayos yan. So, very quality. And, they're all uniform in sizes. Kasi nga, pumapasok sa quality check yung mga kinukuha naming mga slabs ng steaks. Guys, very worth it siya for the price. Kaya nga, ito si Madam na siya, bulk order. This is just for, personal consumption niya. So, order na rin kayo sa Steak to 1PH na Facebook.